how to log into your Mercari account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply make sure that Mercari is installed on your phone. Then you can simply open the application. So after opening the application, now what you're going to do is simply tap on the option login right here. And after doing that, all you need to do is add in your email address and the password of your account, then tap on login, and like that you'll successfully be able to log into your Mercari account. So in case if you have signed up your account using any of those platforms like your Google ID, your Apple ID, or your Facebook ID, then you can simply tap on that and go along with the process of adding their own credentials and log into your Mercari account, right? So unfortunately, if you have forgotten your password, then you can also tap on the option forgot password right here. Then simply enter your email address, tap on send, and you will actually be getting a link on how you can recover your password of your account. So you can simply open your email inbox and go along with the process of how you'll be able to do it, and just like that you'll actually be able to log into your Mercari account. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.